Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Giselle, also known as Stink Face Glam, and in today's video I am going to be attempting to declutter my closet.
I mean, where the f should I really even start?
I have a confession to make. I am a low-key, high-key hoarder. I have a problem getting rid of clothes, like a serious problem. I will hold on to clothes for years and years and years, even if I only wear them once a year. But today is going to be a different day. Today, Giselle is going to get rid of all the clothes that she hasn't worn the past year and clothes that are broken, ripped, no matter the sentimental value. I'm gonna get rid of a ton of things in this video. I will give you a little background of the shopper that I used to be and that I'm trying so hard not to be anymore. I would focus so much on getting the trendy pieces and just buying fast fashion. Back in the day, I used to buy an outfit every weekend just to be able to go out to the bars and clubs with my girlfriends, and you know, now that I am a taken woman and I'm 30 years old, that's not my reality anymore, and I still have a lot of those clothes from those times. Surprisingly, they lasted me that long. I think it's time for a new me, a new style, a new wardrobe, and I need to get rid of the old so I can make room for the new. I'm gonna bring out all my clothes from my closet, put it on this chair, and then we're gonna make 3 piles. These are the clothes that I currently have on the chair. Still have a lot in my dresser. I'm gonna get those, put them on top. Still have pants that need to go in this pile, but I'm gonna start bringing this pile down, and then I'm gonna add the pants slowly because otherwise this pile will be almost my height. 3 piles that I'm going to be dividing these clothes into are recycled, meaning that if they're broken, they're gonna go into a trash bag. The ones that I am going to sell, they are going to be in another pile, and the ones I'm going to keep are going to be in another pile. I had an obsession with the color blush pink for so long. I have a bunch of blush pink pieces in here. This one was actually one of my favorites, but I'll be honest with you, it doesn't really go with the kind of style that I'm looking for now, so I'm gonna have to give her up. I think I will sell her though because she's in decent condition. I have a bunch of band tees from when I was 14 on, and this is one of them. This is a Good Charlotte band tee that literally says, "Girls don't like boys, girls like cars and money." Nostalgia makes me want to keep this. My closet tells me you have no room. This is also gonna go into the sale pile. People buy this. I wore it once. I just don't really like the way it looks on me. My sister gave it to me because she had it. This is a My Chem shirt that I've had since forever that I actually customized for a trip to Vegas. So I think I'm gonna give this one more year and then I'm going to officially retire this as well. This top is from Fashion Nova. I love it. This makes my tits look amazing. I'm thinking of keeping it just for one more season, and if I don't wear it this summer, then it's officially out. I had my garbage bag somewhere here and now it's just gone, so this is garbage. Another band tee, Slipknot. Definitely not getting rid of this one. I'm gonna give it another summer. This is a used, get it? This is a used band tee. I think I'm officially going to retire this. This dress is from Nicki Minaj Kmart collection. Obviously she doesn't have that collection anymore, but I f with this dress because it really makes my butt look poppin', so which is gonna keep this one more year. Self-explanatory, Wu-Tang, Weed Nuggets. This is a white tee that I got from Boohoo. I only wore it once and I think I'll try it again for another summer. White tees for me are a little bit difficult because I feel like you can only get a certain amount of wears out of them before they start turning that yellow dingy colors. But here is a sleeveless black dress. I think it's really good for work, so I'm gonna keep this as well. This shirt since Lord knows how long. There is a hole in the back. I know I said I would get rid of shirts that have holes and are completely done, but this shirt I cannot let go of. I have to break the rule, but if I break the rule once, yeah, one exception. A used shirt that one of my friends got me when he went on tour with the used, but I accidentally washed it and the signatures are pretty much faded, but I think I'm gonna keep it. Pile has gone down significantly. I pretty much did the stuff in the dresser minus my pants, so now I'm going to be focusing on the clothes that are in my closet. I've gone through a good chunk of them so far. I'm doing a pretty good job, I can't lie. I'm pretty proud of myself. Gotta keep going. I have this that my sister gave me that I never wore, but I actually like it, so I think I'm gonna try to keep it for one more year. The tag's still on it. I'm gonna see if I wear it this year. If I don't, then it's definitely just gonna be sold. I love the idea of this. Like, it's so soft and I love it, but I just never wear it. I got this sweater from from Disney. It's like a kid size, but I still rock it because it's Harry Potter. This is a sweater I've had forever. Realistically, it's not my style, and even though I love Nightmare Before Christmas, I think I'm gonna sell it to somebody who actually would wear it because it's just not gonna be worn by me. Same with this one. It's a jacket from the Nicki Minaj collection from Kmart. My sister gave it to me. I love the outside of it. It's really cool, but it's just not my style. This is the remaining pile. I'm gonna show you guys the piles that I have once I'm done, and I'm also gonna add my pants drawer into this pile so I can go through that as well. And I think I may even go through the key pile one more time just to really see if I really want to keep it. Went through my entire closet and the drawer. These are pants that I have. I know a lot of these are going to go into recycle because a lot of them have holes in the inner thighs because, you know, big thighs. I'm probably just going to do this one really quick, and then I'm going to show you guys the piles so you can see. Honestly, the recycle pile is really tiny, which I guess is a good thing, but the sell donate pile is pretty big. It's comparable to the keep pile. I did say that I would show you guys the piles. So this pile right here is the giveaway, donate, sell pile. This pile right here, so obviously the bigger pile, is the keep pile. There's a mix of spring, winter, fall, and summer in here. What's winter is going to go into the dresser, and then what's spring and summer is going to go into the closet. This is the mess I have to look forward to cleaning up. These are the clothes that I will be recycling because they are torn, broken, or just not unsellable or giveawayable condition. Officially done with this closet declutter. Thank you so much for watching me tidy up. Thank you so much for watching me get rid of clothes that I honestly needed to get rid of. I feel like with the camera on me, it really did help me. I feel like even with the piles that I showed you guys, there's definitely room for me to just completely revamp this whole wardrobe. But if I get rid of everything, then I have no clothes to wear except PJs, and when this quarantine is over, girls gotta go back to work. Until I can replace pieces with newer pieces, I'm gonna keep a few of these here, but I am gonna be more conscious of where I purchase, how I purchase, and what I'm purchasing, because I think that's something I had a problem with back in the day. Like I said, I used to just buy clothes whenever. If I was going out that weekend, I bought an outfit for every day I was going out, and that ended up being a huge accumulation of clothes that I could only wear for certain occasions. And I'm a working girl. I don't go out all the time, so my wardrobe has to reflect that, and unfortunately it doesn't yet. But I am planning on getting pieces that will accommodate my everyday life, my work life, my social life, what there is of it. I am going to make sure that the clothes that I do purchase will fit into that narrative. But I just want to thank all of you for taking your time to watch me go through anxiety after anxiety after anxiety of getting rid of these clothes. Leave a comment down below if you'd like me to actually do a closet organization. I actually share a closet with my boyfriend, which is insane. I know we live in New York and we don't have that much closet space, so I do want to kind of organize it so it's easier for him and I to be able to see what pieces we have and grab things that we need as far as accessories wise. So if you guys want to see a closet organization video, leave a comment down below. Like this video. As always, thank you for watching this video. Thanks for taking time out of your day to see little old me, and I will see you all on the next one. Bye.